that they are not a narco-terrorists.
They are not
yes.
saying you people are the cookie militants. Honestly,
Then why
I tell
do
you.
they?
Listen to my question. Listen to me. Listen, my question.
Why do they paraded my nieces then? If we are not based
that was
on
the
that, why do
absolutely
they
wrong
parade
thing, and
yes.
India
yes.
got ashamed
yes.
all over the world.
It's the same
I agree,
family. It is
but
the
they
same
are
community.
saying the Indians or whomsoever illegal migrants has come, they should be thrown out. Number one, listen to me the question. Second thing, they are saying that it is only possible if the NRC is done in Manipur area. Whomsoever is the illegal migrants, you are not the illegal migrant. They are asking that whether the Kuki community is agree or they have the consent if the NRC is done in Manipur. Suppose you support it or oppose it.
I would like to support anything and everything that separate the cookies from the Meitei.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The Meitei community comes for the protest. They are also protesting continuously several times. They say 3-4 things very clearly. And I want to ask you 3-4 things means. They say that there is no peace due to the Kuki militants. Number one. What they are saying, I'm
militant. I will only 3 things they will say. I will tell you.
Yeah.
I don't have to hear from you.
Okay.
They will say Kuki militant, illegal immigrant, narco-terrorist.
Stop it. Get some help.
The population is suppose 20 crores population is there. Suppose today the Brahmin will say that I will not stay with the Rajput. Rajput will say I am not going to stay with the Dalit. So there are several castes residing in the UP. Do you think that the government will give separate administration to all the castes in UP itself? I'm just giving you an example. Is it possible? Not staying with any other community due to the violence, it should be taken care by the law. My question is, I'm very reluctant to come to my camera, but it is nothing. I'll ask the question, I will give you the chance to put forward your thought also. I don't have any issue with that.
I am not reluctant to come to your camera. I am going to faint. I need a bottle of water.
Is it possible to get the separate administration? And if Manipur gets the separate administration, why not the other state people will raise the voice for the separate administration? That was a simple question from my side. मेतई समुदाय के द्वारा जो मैं कवरेज करता है उसमें कहा गया कि मेतई समुदाय ने 3-4 चीज़ें रखी थी कि नार्को टेररिज्म और कुकी मिलिटेंट्स और पॉपी कल्टीवेशन, ये 3-4 चीज़ें और एनआरसी, 4 चीज़ों का वो डिमांड करते हैं। ये 4 चीज़ें है तो मणिपुर में शांति हो जाएगी। तो इन 4 चीज़ों पे इनका क्या कहना है, लेकिन आपको जवाब नहीं मिलेगा। ये कैमरे पे बात करने को राजी नहीं है। ये उन्हीं को इंटरव्यू देंगे जो इनके मुंह में लगा दे और इनकी बात खाली सुनता रहे, विच आई कैनॉट डू। थैंक यू।